Uploading files using SmartFTP. This tutorial assumes you already have SmartFTP and have it running on your computer, but not connected to another server. Now let's learn how to upload or transfer files from our computer to a remote server. Let's first open a local browser window. Click File. Then click New Local Browser. A new local browser window opens, and we're currently looking in a Demo Files folder on our computer. There are two ways to establish a connection with a remote server. Enter the remote server name, username, and password in these boxes here. Then click the green arrow button here. Or we can select a predefined remote server from our list of favorites, which is what we'll do now. Locate the predefined remote server in our favorites. That's it. We've successfully established an FTP connection with demo345.com and now have two windows open. Our local computer files are displayed in the window on the right, and our remote server files in demo345.com are displayed in the window on the left. Let's navigate to the public HTML folder. It is in here that we want to upload some files. Select the files we want to upload here in our local computer window. Hold down the Control key to select multiple files for uploading. When ready, click the Upload icon here to start transferring the files to our remote server. That's it. We've successfully uploaded the selected files to the remote server, and they are also displayed here in the remote server window. To demonstrate how to download files, we'll first remove a file from our local computer. Highlight the photo HTML file and delete it. Now let's download the photo HTML file from the remote server to our local computer. There it is. Click the Disconnect icon to close the connection. This is the end of the tutorial. You should now know how to establish an FTP connection with SmartFTP and upload or transfer files to from your local computer.